Hello, my friends. Leader Usama, tweyanzisa opening up what this show. Kansubire buli omu ampulira. If you can hear me, give me thumbs up, okay? Now, the other day, we had some people who wanted to open up their trading view. That's why I've organized this training. I have only like 18 minutes, but it's okay. Those who want to, is there anyone here who wants to open up their trading view? You raise up your hand and I'll be guiding you step by step. Today, we are going to open up the trading view, those settings, okay? Anyone among those people who wanted to open up their trading view? Are you stuck somewhere according to trading view? In case you're stuck, this is the best training for you. Yes. Today we are setting up trading view. Anyone who wants to, you're stuck somewhere, you can tell us and then you share your screen and then you set up your trading view together. Today is about trading view. Anyone wants to set up their trading view? You're stuck somewhere, I can help you, okay? Now, trading view is interesting. Trading view is interesting in the way that it shows you what's in the market at real time. Okay? So the first thing you need to know is to set up your watch list. Are you seeing the word watch list? This is what we call the watch list. So when you first open your trading view, you see very many things in indices, in what? A lot of symbols in stocks, a lot of symbols in futures. Okay? But you delete all those ones, okay? Then, let me show how we delete. You hold and push to the left. Are you seeing? hold a symbol, push it to the left, then you have deleted. Hold, push to the left, you have deleted. Hold. Am I sharing, baby? I think I was sharing. Uh-huh. Today we are teaching people how to set up their trading view. In case you have issues with trading view, this is the best training for you, okay? Now, how do I, after I've removed all those things in indices, in stocks, how do I add a coin on my watch list? So just click on add symbol. After clicking on add symbol, okay, then you can search. Let's say, is that 12 hours? If you're not asking, please keep quiet. Mute yourself, just in case you're not. That is who? Nankunda. I think Nankunda, you're making some noise on your other phone. This is making noise. Nankunda, kindly mute yourself. Okay. So we can now continue. So what we do, let's say I've seen a coin here on my Binance. I saying, where do you find a coin? Here are the markets. You come to Binance, come to the markets. When you come to Binance and come to the markets, you will see coins that are moving. Okay, one of them is Zena. So I come. Is it Zena? It is Vana USDT. I think Vana USDT of Binance Spot. You have to make sure that it's spot crypto. Then you add it to your chart. When I add Vana USDT, now it will show me, I think. Now it is showing me that Vana is in uptrend. How did I know? One, there was a change of character. Two, there was a break of structure. You see? Then I just come here and I start a position at the start my position at the demand zone. Have you seen the demand zone? This is the demand zone. Okay. Then I'll go to my robot. I'll tell my robot that, hey robot, we are going to trade a coin called Vana USDT. I tell it create. Let's even increase the brightness so that you can see the things first. So Martin J, understand? So I want to create, manually create, started setting, I want to put in that. So this one, I want to start with my 30 USDT, make to margin calls. Then I save. After I've saved, I preset the price. The price is, which price am I putting here? This price. Okay. That gray, the one I'm presetting. I want the robot to buy at the demand zone, okay? Yes. That will be what? 7, 0.889. Yes. So I'm telling the robot to take which percentage. I want to take profit before reaching the previous high. If I'm to take the previous high, that will be 23. Let me take a 10. 10 is okay. And I want to take a 10, the 10%. Then I say save. You get it? Then I say activate. Now this trade will run. The robot is going to add it here. Now when it retraces back to the demand zone, this my robot will buy for me. After it has bought, it will wait and then wait for the sale. Okay. So that's all. Now I've taught you how to add to your watch list. Let me do it one more time. Let's say I go to Binance. I see a coin called cow. Cow must be moving up. Cow USDT. Then I click on it, cow. After cow is moving up, I see cow. 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 Cow shows that it has what? It has made a change of character. But we said because it was, is it ranging or it was in downtrend, but it has made a change of character. An internal change of character, but it's not yet the right time to enter cow, simply because we have to wait for cow to make another. That's fine, it has made a change of character, but we have to wait for it to make a break of structure. You get it? That is a confirmation. If we just enter it now, you don't know what's happening. Is it going to continue going up, or it is these coins that make a pump and then they dump it? You get it? So we can't. You have to set a coin that is in an uptrend. If it's an uptrend, that's good. Another coin that we can set is the raise. Let me see raise USDT. Raise USDT. Raise USDT. Let us see what's happening with raise. So I think I've taught you how to add a coin. Now the next thing is to teach you is raise. Raise is here. What's happening with raise? Raise is okay because there was a change of character, break of structure in red. It was in a downtrend. Okay, now it is showing you that this thing that was going down might change by a change of character. Okay, now what we have to wait for is for this coin to come back a little bit, then make a break of structure. That's when we can confirm that the coin has changed the trend, so it's in an uptrend. So still now, there's no opportunity for us to what? To enter, okay? Which other coin there? So you add. Adding, just sit there, layer USDT. Layer USDT. So that's about adding a coin. Yes. Layer USDT shows that it is in an uptrend. Actually, for people who had set They said forward put a buy on this zone, targeting the highs. They made money. I say that after breaking the structure, it created this zone. Now the market came back, tested that zone, and went up again. I say so. If someone had set this trade, taking a four, even what, even a 6% was possible, but an 8. But you have to take profit before reaching the highs. That was a 5%. Wow. The people who had seen this layer before, that was sweet. Okay. So is there anyone who is still stuck on adding coins on their watch list? I've taught you how to add. I've also taught you how to remove. If I want to remove a coin on my watch list, still I come here on my watch list. Let's say, I was not sharing. Okay. Let me say I want to remove a coin from my watch list. What I do, let me say which coin was not giving us opportunity. Cow. Then reg. Push to the left. Delete. Push to the left. The delete button will be seen there in red. Okay. So my friend has a question. Sula, you have a question on that? Like your hand is raised up. So you can ask me. I'm here, sir. Any question? Okay. Just like your hand is up. But if you don't have a question, I think we can proceed, okay? Okay. Now I want us to add the indicators. How do you add indicator? I tried but failed. Okay. This is what we want to do right now. But in case you can share your screen, okay? There are things that are simple. Daniel. So if Daniel, you can share your screen, it's okay. We can do it together with you. So unmute your microphone such that you can speak together. So you can unmute. How do I add communicate? Yeah, we are here to give you the knowledge, my brother Peter. Okay, that's why we get paid. So you go and then so you have your watch list is not yet said. Remember what I told you how to set your watch list? These other things up there, forex and all that. You push it to the left and delete.
Yeah.
Okay. Delete all those other things. Remove all of them. Yes, can remove all of them. So okay. These things are very simple. So your watch list may not be that static. You can always, when I set after setting my trades, I remove it. So let us say we are adding a coin called Vana. You say you're adding a coin called Vana.
I press where?
There is a plus on top there.
Okay.
So add a coin called Vana. Vana USDT.
Got it.
Then you look for that of Binance. Have you seen it?
Yes, I
Good.
have seen it.
Now what you do, you go back. You go back. So click in that Vana. Vana. Now are you seeing down here? Eh? Where there is 1 day, 1 week, there are those broken. Is it a triangle? No, a square.
Rectangle.
There are those
Yeah.
broken squares. Yes. So you can click that X and remove. Now I see. That is the. That is the. Those are the coins. Those are the candles. You can make that thing big or small. I see. Big or small.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. How do you do that? I'm happy you know how to do that. Now what we do, let us change that time frame from 1 minute. Have you seen? It's 1 minute.
Yeah. Yeah.
Every candle. Let's scroll down and then we change it to 1 day. Scroll down. Manya to 1 hour. Scroll up. Scroll up. Let's turn it to 1 hour. As time goes on, you will see what works for you.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Now, there is an indicator now. That indicator is called volume. Have you seen it there?
Where?
Those very many candles down. So you want to remove that one. First, but you can add smart money, the one you said you want. So
Yeah.
click that arrow. Are you saying where there is a word save in a red button? Hmm?
Yeah.
There is an arrow pointing downwards. There is that arrow pointing downwards. Now it's pointing. Okay. Now are you saying that word vol, Vana?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Click on it. Now are you saying the delete button?
Yeah.
So that's how we delete an indicator from your trading view. Okay. Sometimes you may not just rely on one indicator. You might say,
Yeah.
no, let me first put it and I see what Fibonacci is saying. Because very many leaders will teach you different indicators. Let me see what smart
Yes.
money is saying. Let me see what moving averages are saying. You get it? As long
Yeah.
as you can put an indicator and then you remove it. So it's really up to you. So
Okay.
that one, let us click the delete button and remove.
I've removed it.
So that's how we remove the indicator. You get it? You do this very many times because trading view allows you to have at least a maximum of 2 indicators on the chart. Okay, but you may need to use more than two. I say, hey, what does Fibonacci say? Hey, what does moving average say? Hey, what does the Bollinger Band say?
Yeah.
So now, are you seeing those? Now, are you seeing the pencil?
Yes,
There is
please.
a pencil. Down there. So
Yeah. Tap.
under the capenso, first now we go back. After the capenso,
Mm. This
after
line.
the capenso, there are those two lines, with those small
Yeah.
circles on top.
Yes,
And those
please.
lines.
Yeah.
Click that one. Yes. Are you saying the word indicators?
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Indicators. Uh-huh. Looking the word indicators. There, there will be that thing called technicals.
I have that smart money.
Technicals. You have the smart money?
Yeah. I had smart money like in the favorites. Eh?
Okay, now search and this smart money concept. Smart money, it is there. Okay. Now what you do, click on it once. Just tap on it once. I think it has been added to your chart. So we can now go back to the charts and we see. There we are. Now you know how to add it.
I've added it now.
So now what you do, all you have to see is what? One is the coin in an uptrend. How do you know that's now an uptrend? You see that it's breaking structures in green. So now is it in an uptrend or it is a downtrend?
It's another trend.
Now where is the demand zone? This in the demand zone?
The demand zone should be at around 7.5 or 7.5.
Yes. Are you sure? The demand zone is that blue shade, you know so?
Yes, I've seen that blue shade, which is kind of shorter.
Uh-huh.
7.7. Is it 7 point?
So what you do, you get a price range and measure from that blue shade. If you put a trade on that blue shade and you're trying to go up, which percentage will it take? Now to measure, you use a price range. Are you seeing that price range?
Where?
It's on a pencil. A pencil. So scroll down to the
What's this?
to the measurements. You see the word price range.
Why have slept so much?
Huh?
Things I've passed it, I'm not sure.
Are we seeing that measurements? Trend lines?
Measure, I've seen this measure up. Should I press
Scroll
it?
down. Scroll down. Scroll down, my brother. Forecast and measurement.
Yeah.
I think that covered the price range. So you can long press it and add it to the favorites. Click on that. Yes. Now click on it once. Now let us go.
Okay.
Now press that range on top of that blue shade.
Like this.
The lower line should be on now. Move this lower line on to be on top of of that shade. You can put that there, put that there. That one stop it there. So okay, just tap on now. Hold this small blue circle and move it to the top of the shade. The lower.
I've lost it.
Click in that now. Are you seeing this? Move it on top of the shade. On around there. So are you seeing So you can now release it. Now according to that, it shows you that you can enter that trade, okay, and you take which percentage. Which percentage is there? Which percentage is it showing you?
There's this thing which has stuck here. This line is it.
Which one?
These blue ones I've seen up here.
That one is okay, even if it gets stuck. That one shows you that next time you want it, you just tap there. You get it, eh?
Percentage. What you were saying the percentage, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay, the percentage is something like 13.22.
So just move, scroll downwards, eh? Get those these lower lines, eh? Manya the big digits on the right and scroll downwards. Scroll downwards. Those digits on the right.
Which ones?
Daniel, are you there?
I'm there. I'm there.
How to make the chart look smaller or shorter? You scroll downwards. You tap on those small digits. Manya, the digits on the right. Eh? Those 7, 8 is, eh? You get it, eh?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. You seeing, eh? So you can always adjust, eh? The position, eh?
Okay.
So that will show you that in this trade, you can take a 13%. Eh? Okay.
Yeah.
Then what will be your preset? Because you want to enter the demand zone. I can even say, let me take, instead of 13, let me take a 10. Okay. Or let me take a 7 or even a 6 or even a 3. Are you getting me?
Okay. Okay.
Uh-huh. So,
That's enough.
again, it has moved it. So that's how we do it, my brother. I think for now you have learned something.
Yeah, I
Okay.
appreciate.
So your preset will be that lower limit. eh? The digit down there. And then
Which
you
is
take
something
a
like
percentage. So is there any other person who is asking me? I think there are no questions. We have moved. How to preset? Olivia is asking. How to preset? How to preset price? You're asking how do you find out the preset price? Okay.
No, sir.
Yeah.
After getting the preset price on the trading view, how do
Yes.
you go and put it down for the trade to move?
In Royal Q.
Yes.
Okay. Be on and I'll show you. Mm. Now this is it, my friend. Mm, let's say I've gone to Binance and I see this coin auction. Let me first put auction on the chart and I see. Does it have some opportunity for us? Auction. Uh-huh. What is that? This is swap. I want spot. Yes. Let me add it here and I see. Oh, it is very clear that auction is in an uptrend and the demand zone. Now, are you seeing how the demand zone is powerful? Eh? This is the demand zone. Eh? Now, auction, for it to continue going up, it had to first come back here, eh? Then tapped here, and then for it to continue going back. So, people who had preset their prices here, eh? The robot picked, entered, and then moved up. So this still remains the demand zone. Auction is in an uptrend. How do I know that's in an uptrend? I think it's breaking structures. So this is the demand zone. So like I said, I get my range. My range is there, like how Daniel was doing, and I put on top of that, and then I say, okay, let me take. If they comes back here, let me take a 3. I can maximum I can take is a 12. No, let me take a 5, okay? Then I come here. Now once I tap into my range, okay, I tap in my range, tap my range, it will show me this. Are you seeing that? This card digit 14.06. Then I will come. Come and tell my robot that, hey, Mr. Robot, let us monitor a coin called auction. Auction, okay? You understand? Then I say create. Martin strategy, create. I understand. Then I say trade settings. I choose my strategy. Think your leader must have told you this. Okay. Then I'm taking a 5%. Where have I got that 5? I think it's 5.4. It is given to me by the range, 5.4. And I say, okay, save. So I say sure. Once I say sure, then it's time to preset. Okay. Now I
Yeah.
think first preset buying price. It's here. The last time I traded this coin, I had the preset at 12.85. But now I'm going to preset because at I think this range of mine is showing me that I should be preset at 14. I think the figure it gives me here
Yeah.
14.05. So I say 14.05. So I say sure, and then I say activate, and then create bot. That's all. So after I've activated, you see, so trading view, my robot will add it here. Now I can preset as many coins as I want. Then I keep waiting for a few to hit. When those ones hit, then I can now pause all these other ones. Okay. So that's how
Okay.
to
Thank you.
preset, my friend.
Thank you.
Welcome. Okay. I think everyone's question has been answered. Daniel, your hand is up. You still need have a question? How is GML
Yeah,
also?
I'm just asking,
Yes, sir.
Yeah, there's now after trade after like it identifying the preset price,
Yes.
there's this stuff of margin calls drop. Like a coin is going to drop in such a percentage. I'm not
Mm.
sure about that.
Okay.
So
Now our time is up. I'm sorry. We didn't what? We didn't keep time, But what we are going to
mm,
do, we shall start with that next week, okay? Oh, not next week,
okay,
but on Thursday, okay? So make sure you attend the
okay,
Thursday training. We are going to handle all that. Me, I
okay,
love my trainings to be that interactive, That's when I feel that people are following and people are learning, okay? Okay, thank you for attending.